Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import or dropship products from Shein to Shopify. Now this is a quick tutorial and easy to follow. All you need to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing you need to do, guys, I'm going to go to Shein, as you can see. Now, if you don't know, Shein focuses more on clothes and they focus more on young people. So that's exactly what makes it better than all the other alternatives like AliExpress, Alibaba, like Walmart. Like, a lot of people now are using Shein because of cheap prices and also the fast delivery time. That's exactly why a lot of people started to use Shein to Shopify dropshipping. Now, as you can see, guys, like I said, Shein is just like AliExpress. Like, the only thing that is different here is the brand name. Like, the all source, like they all ship from China. Okay, so that's exactly what they do. They all have manufacturers in China. Okay, so what you guys need to do is to start importing products from Shein to Shopify. Okay, basically like connecting Shein to Shopify. Now you want to go to your own Shopify store. That's the first step. Okay, you want to click on just log in into your own Shopify store. That's what you need to do, guys. And then you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now after that, you want to click on Shopify App Store. Okay, here in the top, and then what you guys need to do, you want to search for this app. It's called Importify. Okay, now I already installed the app, but I am going to delete it so that I can show you guys exactly how you can how you can start from scratch. Okay, now I'm going to delete also the extension of Importify because I have been using this app for a very long time. Alright, now what you need to do, guys, like I said, you want to search on Shopify App Store for Importify. Okay, alright, now keep in mind that this app is like, you will have to pay for it each month, but it has a free trial. So what you guys need to do, click on it, and then it seems like I haven't deleted the app yet, so I'm going to make sure that the app has been deleted. All right, it's deleted. Okay, so like I said, now click on install. Like, this is the icon, like the logo of the app. It's called Importify Easy Dropshipping. All right, now what you guys need to do now, you want to click on install. Okay, and after, guys, you click on install, click again on install, and then you will ask you guys to pay, as you can see here, like $14 per month, but you don't have to pay it right now. Okay, just click on select this plan, for example, $14, and what you guys need to do, you want to click on approve. Okay, click on approve, and then you will give you free trial. Now you are using the free trial of Importify, which is like helpful if you want to test this, how this thing works. Okay, now what you guys need to do, as you can see here, guys, you want to go now to Shein and find a product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. Okay, now as you can see, for example, let's say that I want to import this product. As you can see, a lot of people are started to dropship this product on Shopify, as you can see. Now you can also import videos if you want. Like this app will help you import even videos from the product page. Now what you guys need to do, after you are here, you want to click here, after you go to the dashboard of Importify where you downloaded the app. After you download the app, now you want to download an extension that will help you guys import products. Okay, now scroll down, okay, and see if you can find here extension. As you can see, get started. Click on get started. Here, as you can see, it says find, import, sell dropshipping products. Click on get started, and you want to download this Chrome extension, Importify Chrome extension. Click on it, click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. Make sure you pin the extension in the top. Okay, click on this icon, this icon button, and then click on pin. After you pin it, guys, you want to go now to Shein and find a product that you want to dropship on Shopify. Now I want to dropship this product. Click on here on the Importify extension in the top. make sure you reload the page. All right, it says here import now. Now after guys you click on import now, you can make a lot of changes here. For example, you can change the title, make it better. For example, I always recommend making the title a little bit smaller. Okay, now as you can see the price here, the price on the store is $4. Okay, product cost is $2. Now you need to mark up the price, of course, to make some profit. Now as you can see the description here, this is the description, this is the variant, this is the video. Now the images, make sure you click on select all here on the images section, click on select all. All right, now you want to go back to product and then click on add to your store here. It says here adding the product to your store. We have successfully created the product page. Now this exact product has been imported to our Shopify store. Okay, now what you guys need to do to find this exact product, go to your own Shopify store, and then what you guys need to click on product here, and then as you can see this is the product. All right, now as you can see this whole product has been imported to our Shopify store. Now what you guys need to do, now after you receive a sale, as you can see on the Importify here, your order list is empty. Okay, so after you receive a sale, you will find it here in the order list, and also here you can check this as you want. For example, you can check recommended apps that are recommended by Importify that will help you boost, for example, your conversion by adding reviews, by like dropship Amazon products if you want to dropship Amazon products, or you want to earn Amazon affiliate commissions. Now there are a lot of advantages to using Importify. Now if you have any questions, for example you don't understand what happens after you receive a sale, if they are going to ship this directly to the customer, let me know in the comments. Just let me know exactly what your questions are and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Okay, so go to the comments and tell me exactly what you want to know and I will reply to you guys exactly any questions I can reply it. So drop a like and see you guys in the next one.